I'm not gonna go crazy fast.
Well, how the fuck are you gonna drive with that?
No, trust me, it's fine. I can see. Because you know, like if I close one eye, then it blocks it. But if I have both eyes open, I see through it. You know, I can literally see through the GoPro. Humans are pretty adaptive. Okay.
Yeah, drive yourself up.
All right, you guys, what is going on? This is gonna be a great little video for you guys. Currently, I am in a insanely modified FD RX-7 imported from Japan. It is an FD3S. We are gonna wait, give that guy some room because we're gonna be going a lot faster than that. It's got about 400 horsepower at the wheels, a very linear power band compared to some of the other FD RX-7s I've seen with big single turbos. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. You can watch the full feature of this car that we have already posted, or we'll post a couple days after this goes up. Definitely check that out. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But until then, yeah, just enjoy the sights and the sounds of this gorgeous anime-inspired FD RX-7. Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. Just a small taste for you guys from the POV perspective. We've got to run though, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check out the full feature. See you guys next time.